Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to set who sees your profile picture on WhatsApp. So for to do that, you have to tap on the setting icon, then you tap on privacy. You're going to tap on privacy, then you scroll and tap on profile photo. Then right here on the third option, my contact accept. You're gonna tap, so a page is gonna pop up, and from there you have access to all your WhatsApp friends. So from here you can tap on a WhatsApp friends that you don't want the campus to have access to your profile picture on WhatsApp. So you're gonna tap, let's say I don't want this particular person, this Abe, I don't want this particular person and this other agent. After that, I'm gonna tap on done. So you can see 2 contacts excluded, which means 2 contacts from my WhatsApp list has been restricted from seeing or view my profile picture on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.